Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to hide your location on Tango. It's very easy, so let's get started. All right, so the first step you have to take is, of course, open your Tango app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. All right, so go ahead and do that. All right, so next you have to just scroll down and you're going to see the settings options around here, right here. All right, so what you have to do is to click on privacy, and you're going to see this first option, which is discoverability right here. So click on that, and you're going to find this option to hide location. Right, so just go ahead and turn this on. All right, so go ahead and turn this on just like this. Okay, so that's how to do it. So right now you've hide your location. All right, so that's how to hide your location on Tango. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.